Let's see how you're doing. D. It's horrible. You're welcome. Oh, I just realized how awful D is. Here it comes. What we're going to do is... I made it accidentally evil. Oh, well, it's too late now. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 2. Then we can multiply by 5. That'd be too much. We could divide by 4 and then multiply by 5. Correct. And then we could divide by -4. Get rid of this. I'll put that over there. You point over there. All right. So we're like our previous problems. Break it up. Non-negative version. Negative version. Again, if you want to put the negative on the other side, totally fine, but just watch out for inequalities. So now we have lines, so we're going to our linear equations. Variable on one side, number on the other. So for the first one, I'm going to add 7. What is 7 minus 5/4? 23/4. And now dividing by 5, I get 23/20. Because you can think of dividing by 5 as multiplying by 1/5. So the 5 and the 4 makes 20. For the second one, I'm going to subtract 7 first. If I subtract 7, I get -33/4. Is that right? And then dividing by -5, I get a positive 33/20. Oh, we're not done. What's step 4? Check it. You check it, neither of them work. Final answer, no solution. All that for nothing. There is actually a line that would tell us that we have no solution. This one here. How can we look at that equation and say, oh, there's no answer? Not that it's a fraction. Now that it's a fraction, that it's a first word. That's a negative. Can an absolute value equal a negative number? No. So right there, that tells you no answer. So, you know, we'll just go as far as the realization of no solution. So if I add 9, la-da-doo, everything is great, puppies and rainbows. La-da-doo, divide by 5. Ba-ba-doo. Oh, my absolute value equation equals a number. No solution. Oops. All right, F is special because its absolute value equals absolute value. In these cases, you still have the non-negative and negative versions, but you only negate one of the sides. So for the first breakup, it's like you never had absolute values. And the second breakup, which I'm going to do down here, you only negate one of the absolute values. So I chose to negate the left-hand side to stay with what we were doing. And now you solve as normal. So for the first one, I'm going to bring the 2x over to the right and the 1 over to the left because I like a positive coefficient. So if I did that, I'd get 5 equals 5x. Oh, that's nice. So what does x equal? 1. Guess that. What does x equal for the second one? Careful. Negative 1/3.